In previous class, we have started sympatholytic drugs and studied centrally acting adrenergic drugs. In this class, we will study about adrenergic neuron blocking agents and beta-adrenergic antagonists. Adrenergic neuron blocking agents. Adrenergic neuron blocking may be classified into these three classes which prevent the release of adrenaline. That means release of adrenaline is affected by these drugs. Drugs that inhibit the storage of noradrenaline. That means storage is affected by these drugs, and drugs that interfere with the synthesis of noradrenaline. That means synthesis of noradrenaline is affected, and incomplete or limited noradrenaline synthesis is taken place when adrenergic neuron blocking drugs are given. First drug is guanethidine. It is an antihypertensive drug that reduces the release of catecholamine, that is norepinephrine. It acts at sympathetic neuron effector junction by inhibiting or interfering with the release or distribution of norepinephrine. Common side effects are fatigue or drowsiness, dizziness, anxiety, depression, nightmares, diarrhea, vomiting, and nausea. Structure of this drug is given here. Synthesis of guanethidine. Synthesis of guanethidine is started by using azocan. Azocan react with chloroacetonitrile, give rise to this compound, and minus HCl is eliminated. Cl come from this chloroacetonitrile and H come from this position from azocan. Further reaction with lithium aluminum hydride. This is a reduction reaction, give rise to CH2 NH2 at this position. This CN get converted into CH2 and N get converted into NH2. Further reaction of this compound with N-methyl isothiourea give rise to guanethidine. We can easily remember this synthesis by checking this structure very carefully. This structure is fragmented into three major sections. One section, this ring section that come from azocan, this second section that come from chloroacetonitrile, and third section that come from S-methyl isothiourea. By dividing this structure in three major sections, we can rewrite these steps. Next subclass is beta-adrenergic antagonists. They are used to treat high blood pressure, chest pain, that is angina, abnormal heart rate, that is commonly known as arrhythmia, congestive heart failure, and other several heart-related problems. Side effects of beta blocker drugs are cold feet and hands, fatigue, nausea, weakness, dizziness, dryness of mouth, skin and eyes, slow heartbeat, swelling of hands and feet. Weight gain is common side effect observed in person having beta-adrenergic therapy. Beta-adrenergic antagonist drugs. First drug is atenolol. Structure is given over here. It is used to lower the risk of death after heart attack. It is also used to treat angina, that is pain in chest, and hypertension, that is high blood pressure. Common side effects are cold hand and feet, constipation, dizziness, headache, reduced sexual drive, or impotence is also observed in some patients. Shortness of breathing is also common in person having beta-adrenergic antagonist therapy. Next drug is propranolol. It is used to treat high blood pressure, a number of type of irregular heart rates, that is arrhythmia, thyrotoxicosis, performance anxiety, and essential tremors. Common side effects are dizziness, tiredness, cold hand and feet, difficulty in sleeping, and nightmares. Side effect of this class is common for almost all the drugs. Synthesis of propranolol. Synthesis of propranolol is started by using 1-naphthol and epichlorohydrin give rise to this compound, and this compound further react with isopropylamine give rise to propranolol.